Hey everyone, welcome to the first video of 5 in this YouTube mini-series where we're going to be building an affiliate marketing website from start to finish. I hope you're excited for this one. It's going to be a really good video. In this video we're going to be looking at building our WordPress website, getting ourselves a domain and hosting, and then we're going to be setting up our theme and kind of giving our site a bit of a new look. So we're going to be installing a new theme, installing some page builder plugins, and building our site from there. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I've got myself a domain right here, and it's hosted on my own server. I've got quite a few websites, so I've got my own server so I can host multiple websites and that sort of stuff. But if you are just starting out, then I highly recommend you head over to Bluehost and you pick up yourself a free domain, SSL certificate, one-click WordPress install, and some lightning fast hosting, all for $3.95 per month. I'll leave the link down in the description below for that. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to your WordPress dashboard that looks something a little similar to this. Sometimes they may look a little bit different, but this is what it should usually look like. So this is going to become very familiar to you if you haven't used WordPress before, because this is pretty much the control panel of your entire website. So from here you can see we've got a whole list of things down the left hand side here, and we're going to be focusing a lot on appearance at the moment. So we're going to want to hover over appearance and then click on themes, and it should redirect us over to our theme manager. So right now we only have the basic WordPress theme installed, which is 2020 right here, and we're going to want to install a new theme. So we want to click add new, and as you can see there's a whole bunch of themes that you can choose from off the WordPress repository here, and also you can upload a custom theme as well. So if you want to pick one of these, then you're more than welcome to. But if you're starting a WordPress blog for affiliate marketing, then you're going to want something that is really quick, something that is mobile friendly and also SEO friendly at the same time. So what I've been using a lot recently is the Neve theme. So you want to head over to theme aisle. I'll leave the link down in the description below, and you want to grab the free download of Neve. So you just want to click free download. You can enter your email if you want, or you can just download the zip file right here. So you just got to wait for that to download. It should automatically start downloading. As you can see down here in the bottom left hand corner, it is downloading. So we're just going to wait for that to finish. And once that's finished, we're going to be able to drag and drop that right into our WordPress dashboard and start customizing our site. So as you can see, that has finished now, and we're going to be able to drag that right, hold on, be able to drag that right into here. Need to upload theme, and now drag that right into here, and then we can click install now. We can exit out this tab here, and now we're just going to wait for Neve to install in our WordPress. As you can see, our theme has successfully installed now. We can click live preview here, open a new tab, and have a look at what it looks like right now. Probably won't look like much, just because we haven't done anything to it yet. Just gotta wait for it to load. There's nothing here because we need to upload a starter site. So we're going to return to the themes page. Head back here, click on Neve, and we're going to want to activate it. Yeah, and now Neve is activated, so we can go back here. We can click try one of our ready-to-use starter sites. So this is going to give us a whole library of sites that we can use as templates to build off. So we just need to install the OrbitFox Companion plugin. And here we go, we've got a whole bunch of different websites we can start with. For this tutorial we're going to be using Elementor, and you can pick one of these to install, but for this tutorial we're just going to be using this first one, which is Web Agency. We're going to click import, wait for options to load, and then we're going to just keep all these ticked and we're going to click import right now. And then this is going to import onto our WordPress within a few seconds. And then we're going to be here. And now we can click view website. It's going to take us to our website and see. There we go. Our website went from nothing to this pretty quickly. So now we're going to want to click edit with Elementor. It's just going to take a few seconds to load. There we go, it's already loaded. And we are going to be able to edit our website here. Oh, I don't know what that's doing there. Oh well. So with my websites, I like to keep it quite clean on the home page. So as you can see with Elementor interface here, we can drag and drop all these different blocks to be able to customize our website. So I want to just get rid of this. So these are all different elements. So we can just right click on the element and click delete to delete the element, and then we can just have one click on here, hover over it, and this website's going to be about off-roading, so I'm just going to make the title off-roading for now, and we're just going to leave it at that. And then I want to just single click on these, and I want to make this say about, and I want to make this one say blog. And we can change the colors on these a bit later on when we know what our theme and our website's going to be. But I like to take away a few of these sections just because more content practically means your site is going to take a bit longer to load, and we want to keep those loading times as high as we can. So I want to delete this one, and I'm just going to keep this first one here for now, and that's all I'm going to have. So I'm going to make this one latest 4x4 news, and this is going to be a category on my website, and I'm going to make this one off-roading tips and tricks. I'm going to make that 2 words. Capital R. Okay. And then we can change this text a bit later on, and the main thing is that you get a bit of an idea of how you can edit your website within the Elementor interface. So now if we go back to our website here, we click reload. As you can see, we've got a brand new looking website. We're going to go back to our website here. We're going to click on customize, and this is where you can change the header of your website, so you can change your logo. For some reason it's this weird image, and then you can even add a tagline if you want. So one-stop shop for off-roading, and then that'll be underneath your logo here. So if you want to have a logo, which I highly recommend you do, then I recommend you just head over to Fiverr quickly, and you can get yourself a logo built designed for like $5, and I think it's a good investment, because you want to create a good brand around your website. So if we just search up a logo here, and we can just make our budget 10 New Zealand, which is like $6 American-ish, and we can just pick one of these and get them to build us a logo. and then you can put that onto your website and it'll be up here. Within here you can edit your menu, which is up here, and you can change colors and text and all that sort of stuff. But the more you get into what your website's going to be about and how you want it to look and that sort of stuff is going to be when you're able to do that. But I just recommend getting yourself a simple, clean looking homepage and setting up your blog page, and that's all that you really need to do right now. One last thing that is a good thing to do is just import a few nicer looking pictures on your website. So if we just go back here, so I head over to unsplash.com, and this is where I get all my royalty free images that I can use on my websites. And I'm just going to say type in off-roading right here, and it's going to should come up with a whole bunch of different images that I can use. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use this one here, and then I want to use this one here also. And now this is going to be able to replace the 3 images on our website here. So to change the image, you want to hover over the section and click the 3 dots here. You want to click style, and then you want to choose image, upload files, and we want to upload the file here. And that's just going to upload, and it's going to wait a few seconds for that to upload, and then these other 2 images that we've downloaded are going to be going in the category sections on our homepage as well. So this is going to give your site a little bit more feel about what your topic's about and that sort of stuff. And then after this, we can get on to changing the colours a little bit and adjusting our buttons and that sort of stuff. So here we go. Now we can click Insert Media, and now we've got a completely new hero image that is related to our topic. We can go over here and click Background Overlay, and we can make it a black overlay, and this is going to help our text on our homepage pop a little bit more. So we can go back to our text now, and we can change the style of this. We can change this to white, and now as you can see, that pops a lot more, and that is a lot nicer to look at when you first come into your website. Now the next image we want to change is this one here. As you can see, as we click on it, we can go right to the left hand side bar again. We can drag that next image to upload. And once that is uploaded, we can then click Insert Media again and insert this onto our website. So it's going to take a few seconds to finish uploading. And there we go. Now we can insert that onto our website. And as you can see, that it's gone a bit big, so we can change the size if we want to. We can make that medium like that, or you can just leave it as it is, and I like leaving them as they are just because it looks quite nice. Then we can change the next one and upload the final image, and then this is going to round off the images on our homepage. Just going to give it a few seconds to finish uploading. And there we go, we can insert media now. It's going to take a few seconds just to load on our website. And there we go. Now we've got 2 sections that look quite nice. Last thing we're going to do with this is we're going to change, I want to change this button to a black button with white text. So I'm going to click on it over here and click Style, and then I'm going to click Background Color, and I'm going to make it black. Then I'm going to make my text color white. It hasn't seemed to have updated yet. Change that. There we go. Now it's black. Then I'm going to go and do the same for the rest of these. I want to make this background color black. I want to make the text color white. I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to make the background color black, and I'm going to make the text color white. And there we go. Now our website is starting to take some shape. I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. If you have, then please leave a like and stay tuned for the next episode. In the next episode, we're going to be going over creating some pages, creating our about pages, our legal pages, and that sort of stuff, so we can really get the site moving. And then after that, we're going to be looking at some plugins. So we're going to be looking at some caching plugins, and we're going to be looking at some SEO plugins and CDM plugins as well. So definitely stay tuned for that. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, then please leave it a like, and please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers for watching.